Guys, welcome to IT networking. So when you transferring some data, so error is coming. So error number is 0x80043103. So guys, you copy when address, so you change your folder and change your path. This is first solution. Second solutions is click to start button, then type service. Then guys, Windows search W, scroll down, Windows search, okay, and double click. If this is enable and manual automatic, so please select to disable and then apply. Okay, firstly you stop, then disable, then okay, then close it. Third solution is guys, you temporary your firewall, disable your temporary. Okay, double click to control panel, okay, security, firewall, turn off, on and off. Okay, because I already disable it. And okay, so if you're using antivirus, so only temporary base, you just transferring some data and doing some work, that time you disable your firewall. Okay, and then guys, restart your system and please then check.